matter because you won't be happy because your homes look like.
Shush! I'm doing a vlog.
I'm sorry. Hello guys, I'm back. It's Sam.
No.
Okay.
So today we're going out. Vlogmas. Wait, there are people coming, so I'm gonna vlog later. But I'm back. Teenagers scare me. Anyway, so today we'll be going out. It's gonna be my second or first vlogmas. It depends, honestly. And we're going out, and I'm so excited to start. These people are gonna be. Anyway, welcome to Vlogmas. I'm so excited. I was gonna use a different camera, but I decided I'm lazy, and I think that camera is too close to my face, and you can see a pimple. Oh, thank you. So today I can use both my hands. Just kidding. Yeah, we're going out. I don't know where we're going. I think we're just gonna bashar. Yeah, people. Okay, so we've just made it in Raffles Place. I don't know if I've vlogged it before, but it's pretty cool. There's swings and stuff. And yeah, wait till I vlog my face because it's awkward right now and I'm really scared. You know what? We've just come here, swinging on a swing. Are you enjoying it?
Yeah.
Am I enjoying it? Yeah, it's relaxing. Anyway, we're just waiting for Dad now, and what are we gonna do? I don't know. We're gonna have dinner, and what else are we gonna do?
Yeah.
Okay, I just want to talk first. Alfie Days and Marcus Butler is in Singapore right now. Pointless vlog. Marcus Butler, they're here. And they're in Suntec, I think. I don't know. They're coming here for some digital conference thing. I'm not so sure, but I really want to see them. Hey, shh. Sorry. And I really want to see them. I just and stuff. Anyway, this place is really chill. Like, there's just people chilling everywhere. It's an office place, by the way. My dad works here. Did I mention that already? Probably. Picture. Anyway, yeah. So I don't know where we're going. It's a long talk. Good talk. Vlogmas. Oh, this is my Vlogmas series. I'm not gonna do it every day, but I hope I can do it for at least 5 or 6 times. Unlike last year. I think last year I only had 3. But that's basically what I wanna achieve this holiday. Vlogmas. Did I mention that already? Yeah. Alright, bye. We just got Burger King. I love this cheese fries thing and stuff, so I just got that. Right? Is it nice? I love it so much. Whee! Dad is coming. Daddy's here. Look, hey, wait. Look at his nose-shaped November. Look at that. Look at that. Sass. Daddy!
I
love bushy. Sammy. Did you lose your wallet here? Claude.
No, actually it's not here. It's the other side.
Oh, okay. And this is our hotel right here. Right, Daddy? Right. No, just kidding. We dream of it. It's pretty. This place is so cool. I don't know where they live. Maybe it's there. Maybe it's that. Wait. Maybe it's that hotel. Maybe they're there. Maybe, I don't know. Is that a hotel? I don't know. But look at this place. Look at this place. It's pretty.
Guys, mom's
taking a picture.
so desperately.
Okay, wait. All I know from their Vlogmas is that they have a balcony. They have a big room. I've seen inside of their room. It's in their vlog, so. And this is what they see in their vlog. But I don't know where they are. But I just want to see them. I sound so stalkerish. It's alright. We're not gonna see them today. There's a bird inside? Maybe. We're going up to that thingy-wingy. Ah! I almost fell. Ooh, it's green. Is that dirt or... Just kidding. is what you said. Oh, this is scary. We're in this place. Airplane. Can you see that? 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 No? Okay, never mind. Look at this thing. Yeah, you've seen this place before. We're doing a Jack and Rose pose. Do you really think that's their hotel? We're like Malfi searching. Even Dad is helping out.
50 floor?
50 floors, more than 50.
50?
Yes.
Who said na 50th floor?
Him.
Them.
Then, like 50th floor.
Before they actually came. And then it was confirmed when Lucky.
Big fan! You can probably hear shh right now. Resting time for all of us. I still don't know where. So what are if we meet Alfie, what will we do?
Scream.
What is that?
How is that interesting then?
Anyway, we will scream first, yes, and then we will say, "We're so glad to meet you," and then we're gonna, what's that?
My picture's swapping.
I'm gonna write down on a piece of paper, subscribe to Danny, like, no, that's not a good idea. Okay, never mind.
Hey, is it on?
Yeah.
Follow me on.
Christmas trees. Oh, Christmas trees.
What?
Oh, Christmas trees. Oh, Christmas trees. Boom.
Take a photo. Yeah. Okay.
I have no third hairstyle for this vlog, and we've made it to Marina Bay Sands. So I don't know where we're gonna eat. Where do we plan to eat? We don't know. My camera sucks in this lighting. But it's pretty here. Again, just smell like how many times being here. Oh gosh. I have no other place here in Singapore. What?
You're gonna video me until I'm gonna hiccup really loudly.
Yes. Sam, how was your day?
Fine.
Can you tell me about 17 or whatever bands you like?
I think it's gone.
Darn it! You just hiccuped really loud. Hey, Sam. Hey, Sam. Hey. Come on, baby sister. Give us something good. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
I don't think I can.
What?
Number one thing to show you off to people. My sister has before. I'm not gonna say that on camera. Never mind. I can't. You're so cool. Good job. Thanks. Stop.
It was pretty funny just now because me and my mom were walking in front, and then suddenly we just heard a at the back. You're good. Good job. Thanks. Oh, it's really Christmassy here, and there's a snowman. Wait. Right. I can't see. There's two snowmen here. Fake wax.
Fake eyes. They're
Oh,
just
right. This is the fake eyes. Oh, wow. Look at that! There's all types of gingerbread men. Say hi. Hello. Yay. Oh, and then there's Mr. Whitebeard and Mr. Snowman. Cool. The Christmas tree. It's pretty cool. Do you want to take some photos? Or
I don't think we have
gingerbread. Are these gingerbread men or gingerbread?
There's people inside. Oh Lord, they're just moving.
Oh, there's moving. Oh, that's creepy. That's hella creepy. What's this? Height goals. Height goals. Height goals. Sam has been trying to take her perfect profile pic. What?
Ang AM.
Is this a good one?
Yeah, totally.
Ang AM.
AM is after midnight. No, after and past. It's the same thing. Hey. First, when we go here, we're gonna end up in, where's this again? Bath and Body Works. The candles smells nicer than last year, and what I remembered, and I kind of want one. Do you want a candle? I really like the twisted peppermint. It's really nice. There. This one. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? So we're just chilling right now. I'm on a couch in the middle of the mall. And I'm just basically resting here. I was trying to look for an advent calendar earlier. My parents are looking at me. My family is judging me. Okay, thank you, Sam. Anyway, I was trying to look for an advent calendar. I didn't find one, and then I saw the cash register. They had one, but I didn't like Cadbury. And the next one is Milky Bar, which I didn't really want. The last one I saw was My Little Pony. So
What that?
yeah, I want to, but My Little Pony, will that be attractive for you guys? I don't know. Should I get the My Little Pony advent calendar? Let me see. Okay. Yeah, Sam wants an advent calendar. That's My Little Pony.
It's only $3.25.
What?
My Little Pony advent. I don't know.
Can we buy it?
We got an advent calendar! Yay! And Sam is angry because I didn't get the My Little Pony one, but I guess
It's ugly Santas.
it's okay. But at least I have an advent calendar to open. Yeah. So this is the advent calendar. There's one. Who wants to get the one? We're gonna each get one. It's 5th of December, by the way. 4th of December. So we're gonna start. How do we obtain this? Okay.
This looks impossible. Wait. Ah, there you go.
What's the? Is there a pattern at the back? Yes, it's a choo-choo train.
Cute.
Now we're going for number 2.
Don't you say?
It's a circle.
Oh wow, Danny, you're not throwing anything.
Okay, wait.
Wait. Ah, I told you to be careful.
It's a plane. Great tree.
Ooh, what's that?
What's that? That's for me. It's a teddy bear.
Oh, day 4.
Number 4.
Yay!
Wow.
Pretty.
It's a star. You're a star. You hurt people.
I'm a star. You know, I'm gonna put my picture on the star.
And this is Singapore at night. The city, at least. Light. Father. Bubbles. No, this way. There is nothing. Sam is chasing. I realized I didn't end the vlog. Anyway, I'm home now. I'm just editing my vlog. I don't know where the clips went. Where did it go? Okay, never mind. I'll look for it later. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna edit my vlog now. This is my second or first. I don't know. It depends on when I post the other one, which I don't think I might post. So let's just pretend this is either Vlogmas 1 or Vlogmas 2. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time.